truck stop in Branford, Connecticut. When I'm not out flying my drone, I'm watching idiotic ramblings on Life is Good. Come on!
Well, today we're playing lumberjack. I get the dually likes to get stuck right here, so we took a grader and cleaned it out. Because maybe bringing the dually back here today. Want to back it in this road, go backwards. My son driving a big, I guess they call it a forklift. I'm gonna try to pick up a 30-foot log. And I'll show you the log here in just a second. All right, so there's the log we got to pick up. We estimate she weighs about 10 to 15,000 pounds. I just scaled my truck and trailer empty, so we're gonna go weigh it once we get it picked up and decide what she weighs. But she's pretty heavy. Nephew's gonna have this turned into a beam for his house, so we're hoping that thing right there will pick it up. Between that, the skid steer right there, and the Kubota tractor, we're hoping she'll pick this monster up. We'll see. We thought we'd try to pick it up before the boss got here, but I think he should have went further down. Piece of cake. Yeah, she's gonna be able to pick that up. Nice. That thing makes light work of it. We've been trying to move this thing with that little skid steer and it just wasn't having it. Piece of cake, man. Alright, here we go. See if we can pick this whole thing up. That's a reposition. You know you get to drive your $800 machine.
I don't care.
I think we're balanced now.
I'm gonna run out there. Well, if you go out there and get your truck.
They can't see you. We're just having all kinds of fun. It's going to be actually a quick, easy job. We were expecting to have to use all three pieces of equipment, but the Takahoochie, the forklift, and the Kubota, but that thing picked her right up. So she might be lighter than what we thought. Well, we thought we should build 10 to 15,000, but it's about a 10,000 pound rated machine. It picks up her easily. So yeah. All right, I gotta go get on the tractor to get it out of the way because we're gonna spin this around and hopefully get it down this road. They decided to make me go get the truck. Back the truck down here. Okay, so they decided we're gonna pull down there. Getting this truck nasty. I bet the microphone won't work now. They decided we're gonna pull down in there. So we load the big in on the truck because we're gonna have overhang. That way we're not tail heavy. Hopefully it'll be right. Goily truck and logging service. Here we go. I bet we're gonna need some blocking on. We're not hauled any trees before. That's gonna be a pretty good overhang. It's gonna be a pretty good overhang. Yeah, what's that, about 5 feet overhang so far? I wonder what the law is on that. That's why we had the nose in, because I put that big heavy in up on the truck. See how much she squats. Let's go measure that now. Currently at 40 and a half. Let's see what we get. I had to put the log on it. So we're getting kind of load on the truck. You good? You can go my way if you need to. Got about a foot up here on the headboard. Come on, you good? You good? Go on. Come on forward. Now go back. You're good. That's about the front center. So put some block down. All right, so we got her loaded up, chain down. A lot more chain on there we need. So now we got to back out of here. So he's gonna go first in case we get stuck. A little teeter-totter. Yeah, that's so you stay level on the side of the hill. Your Honda needs that. All right, so now we gotta back this stuff up out of here and go back to the pilot and weigh it and see what we got. All right, so there you go, we got her out. Piece of cake. We take it back to the cat scale and weigh it out. I'm gonna show you my scale ticket. Hold on. Here's our empty weight. So now we're gonna take it back and scale it. Then we'll fuel the truck. Truck's out of fuel. That was totally out of fuel right there. So, go scale it out. Hope that back axle is not too heavy. So we had 4,300 on the trailer. Now we'll go see what we got on the trailer now. And that gives us an idea how much that tree weighs. That's gonna turn into a beam for his house, which will go right here. House is gonna go right there. So hopefully gotta get to, that's a red oak. Be a nice open exposed beam running through the center of his house and the cathedral ceiling. So it should look pretty good. All right. I was fixing to end that video. So I was editing a video and we just stopped filming. After that we got so we're on the other side. We stopped filming so show you guys what the weight of that tree was. What you guys guess? We have a good guess what the tree weighed. All right, so we got, there's our empty weight. Grand total was 14,240. And our loaded weight was 24,640. So that's still both with the before fueling. And so we added 1,000 pounds to the drives, a couple hundred pounds to the steer, and and quite a bit to the trailer. I went from 4,300 on the trailer to 13,660. So about over 10,000, couple hundred pounds on the tree. She was a heavy monster. But the old Mega Prius never phased it, Terry. Come on. Never phased the old Mega Prius. She did a fantastic job pulling that. The old Banks eye tuner, eye dash, Derringer eye dash up there. See her? Oh yeah. Never phased this old girl. Ain't found much to phase this truck yet. She's a monster. She is a monster. Love this truck. Anyway, we took that tree all the way down to so I'm out here working on 86. Gorgeous, isn't it? Took that tree all the way down to Conyers. It's out of Conyers, Georgia. About 160 some odd miles. The old truck handled it great. And one day we'll get to pull that. I thought I was going to take it Saturday. We're going to go riding. And we got 4 machines going. We could throw them on there. But them boys, they want to try their own too because they want to spend the night. So we're going to take the 20-footer back there. We could have used it, man. Could have put all 4 RZRs on there and went riding Saturday. That's what we bought the thing for. But anyway, all right, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed that Goily Trucking logging service. Let's get this video uploaded for you, and you guys give me a thumbs up. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.